Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.